I don't think you'll get the chance.
You'll be entombed in this place forever.
Wow! That was totally cool, Master Ox.
A Kung Fu master is like the wind. We can find many different ways to travel.
We must restore the Temple of Clear Water to its original glory.
Master Croc?
The temple is a source of inspiration and pride.
Excuse me, Master?
It's a good thing we haven't run into any wolves yet, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah! Awesome! Things are looking up.
Peace